Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is defending the government's management of the Zika crisis. Speaking at a divisional meeting in Friendship St. Catherine last night, Dr. Tufton stressed that the issue should not be politicized. More in this report.
Concerns about the politicization of Zika first surfaced at the 2016 National Labour Day project in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. The Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, was among officials who wore party colours at the event.
There are some people who actually come from communities that want to take part in the National Labour Day cleanup. But when they reach there, they tell me that they are going away because the whole thing about it, they see the people in the political colours.
But Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton insists the issue of the Zika virus will not be used for political gain.
I said to your labour rights, we want to make sure that we don't politicize this issue. We want to make sure that we mobilize and support all of Jamaica to deal with it, to fight it. And we say to the PNP, join us. I said it in Parliament. I said, join us. Let us come together, create a national effort. Because I don't want anybody to be sick. I'm Health Minister for everybody. Whether you're JLP or PNP, you're Jamaican, I am Health Minister for you.
Dr. Tufton further defended the government's management in handling Zika.
You know the disaster that Zika created for the Jamaican people. People died from Zika. And frankly speaking, we weren't sure what was happening because we weren't being told something, but the reality on the ground was something totally different. If there was one distinction between what the Labour Party has done with myself and the team and the cabinet that supports me as it relates to Zika when compared to Zika, is that this government has been very transparent and open with the people of Jamaica in explaining the problems that we face in this area.
The Ministry of Health is to roll out Phase 2 of its Zika virus eradication program, which will include a series of island-wide town hall meetings.